Happy birthday, mother. Happy 5-0. Nagdadalaga ka na. Alam ko, sinasabi mo lagi, you're only 21 or 20, something 20. But maybe you need to start saying you're 30-something. But happy birthday. I know we don't see eye to eye often, pero you're always there for me. Kung kailangan ko ng kahit ano, you'll be there. Kahit I don't need anything, you're there. Makulit ka. I don't know what to say. It's awkward. Wish you the best. Coming home soon. So, lalo kang makukulitan sa'yo. Love you. Miss you. Huwag kang iiyak. Alam ko, papost mo to. Bye. I love you, mother.